Hi everyone, it's Charlene with Sweet Pieces by Me, and thanks for joining me. I just wanted to show you the March Paper Pumpkin Kit. Very exciting. Stampin' Up! Has been doing paper pumpkin kits for 6 years now, so they are celebrating with this March kit. Now, if you have not subscribed, it's too late to get this kit. They will probably have refills for it on their website at Paper Pumpkin, mypaperpumpkin.com, and they actually might have the stamp set available as well. So there's still a chance you could get it. If you really like it, I would just check that out. Or you could start subscribing now so you won't miss anything, and I'll have a link to subscribe in my description box. So this is the free stamp set. And of course you can go to Pinterest or just Google search for ideas. So in the box you always get a Stampin' Spot ink spot. Sometimes they do two colors. This one is in Poppy Parade. So pretty. I love that color. And normally in a paper pumpkin you just get a small stamp set. So something like this, okay? Now, because they're celebrating 6 years, they wanted to give everybody something special, like a gift, and this is what we got. So it is a full size. Let me try to put on a solid background so you can see it. Full size stamp set, so you can see the difference there. Super cute. So we got the numbers there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. So you could do 10. And there's a balloon. The ND for second, THSTRD, and a little number sign or hashtag. Cute, super cute. Little hat and some confetti and a candle. Very cute. So let's get to this. See what we got. Normally, your kit comes with the stuff to make 8 to 10 cards. It just kind of depends. I usually save my tissue paper unless it's ripped. This one's ripped, so that's trash. Okay, here we go. So, Poppin Birthday. Oh, it's so cute. It has like a little pop-up. That is so cute. And then these are some other different like alternative cards you can make. Oh, so cute. So I'm gonna go ahead and get into this. Open it. I have my scissors out. Okay, let's go ahead and open this puppy. And let's see what goodies we've got. And let's, oh my gosh. Okay. They normally are very generous with their adhesives, and this kit is no exception. Look at this. In this pouch, sometimes it's dimensional, sometimes it's the glue dots. This one has both. These are the mini dimensionals, but there's also a roll of tear and tape. Oh my gosh, this is not like a full size roll like if you were to buy it, but that is a lot. That is awesome. So not only are you getting this awesome kit, you get these extra supplies that you can use for your other projects. Cute. So got some tags here. And if you like this video, please subscribe. I will be showing how to make this card in another video. Envelopes. And then I will also make another video showing a possible 1 to 2 alternate cards. So there's some sticky candles. Here's the inside. They're cute. Pop-up little cakes. That's cute. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4 of those. And these are like presents. 2, 3, 4 of those. And cute little embellishments that are pop out like die cuts, and card bases. We got some polka dots. There's some more banner tags. numbers. In case you don't want to stamp the numbers, you can just die cut those out. You'll see those. This pretty, I think it's Bermuda Bay or Coastal Fair. One of those. Cute, more numbers and more card bases. So cute. I cannot wait to play with this kit. Some more banner tags. And of course, complete with the instructions on how to make your cards. So cute. Well, I hope you enjoyed this little unboxing, and please like my video and subscribe so you don't miss any more videos. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.